Hello friends, welcome to my channel SCS VAJRA Tutorials. We are going to learn one of the most important topic in quantitative aptitude is compound interest. So many of your friends confused as compound interest is difficult topic. But there is nothing difficult in this. By using different types of method we can answer different types of questions based on compound interest with solved examples. So friends, compound interest is one of the most important topic for any competitive exams like IBPS, banking and LIC, SSC. Not only government sector, this topic is important in IT sector also. Please mind these words and attention on concept and introduction. Compound interest can be solved by different methods. Okay, one is formula method, then another one percentage method, and one is shortcut tricks like ratio method, box method. Different methods are there. Choose which one is suitable for you, which one is comfort for to solve different types on compound interest problems. But remember one thing, all the problems are not based on shortcut tricks. Some of the questions are based on formula only. Because difficulty of questions are increased by all exams. Let us start today's class. Okay friends, this is basic formula for compound interest. That is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n minus 1. And this is amount P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. In this, P indicates principal amount and R rate of interest, and this n indicates time duration or time period. Okay, same terms, but A indicates compound interest plus principal amount. Okay, principal amount plus compound interest is equals to amount. Okay, this is the basic formula to calculate compound interest. Okay, in exam by using this formula will take lot of time. We'll see another different methods to solve compound interest questions. Next method, percentage method. Before going to learn percentage method, we need to learn one important thing. That is, in quantitative aptitude, lot of chapters are there. From those, many of them are based on percentage method only. Okay, the formula is A plus B plus A into B divided by 100. Okay, this is the most useful formula in quantitative aptitude section, in other topics also. Okay, please remember this formula. In upcoming session, I will tell the use of this formula in another topics also. Okay, next, box method. Coming to this box method, I think so many of students like this method. Okay, this is A. Okay, this is first year simple interest and second year A, because always every year simple interest will be same, and plus compound interest. This total indicates compound interest, the term B. This is 2-year box method to calculate rate of percent. Okay friends, let me see some of the examples to find compound interest. Okay, take principal amount as 10,000 and rate of interest is 10% and time is equals to 2 years. Okay, then find CI, SI and difference between compound interest and simple interest. Okay, then rate of percent is 10%. and principal amount is 10,000. Per 1 year simple interest is 10,000 into 10 by 100. That is 1000. Okay, 10,000 into 10 by 100. 100 cancel. 100 into 10,000. This is first box. And next year also simple interest same. Okay, then compound interest to find, take 10%. Again take 1000 into 10%. That is 100 cancel. 10 tens are 100. So from this compound interest is total is compound interest. 1000 plus 1000, 2000 and 100. 2100 is the compound interest. And simple interest is 1000 plus 1000, 2000. And difference between compound interest and simple interest is 100. Okay, this is the simplest method. I think so many of use this only. Let me take another example. P is 15,000 and rate of percent is 2 and time is 2 years only. So 2% in 15,000, that is 15,000 into 2 by 100. 100 cancel. 152 times means 300. Simple interest per 1 year is 300 and second year also same, that is 300. Okay, then plus 2% again, 300 into 2%. 2 by 100. 100 cancel. 3 2s are 6. So from this compound interest is 300 600 plus 6. 606 is the compound interest. And simple interest is 300 and 300, that is 600. So difference between compound interest and simple interest is 606 minus 600, that is 6. Okay, no need to subtract. Take this individual box only. Next example, this is different type. We need to find principal amount. Rate of percent is 12.5 and time is 2 years and compound interest is 3400. And we need to find simple interest and compound interest, simple interest difference. Okay, to find P value, we need to take denominator all to the power of t. You may have doubt, what is this denominator? So, coming to here, rate of percent is 12.5. That is in fraction 1 by 8. This denominator we should take. Okay, d equals to 8 and power t is 2 years. 8 square, that is 64. Okay, principal amount is 64. To find simple interest, principal amount is 64. Then 1 year simple interest is 64 into 1 by 8. Then 8 8 is 64. 1 year simple interest is 8 and next year also 8 and plus 1, 8 into 1 by 8. That is 1. Okay, then total compound interest is given in question, that is 3400. So 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17 units is equals to 3400. Then 1 unit is equals to 200. So we need to find principal amount. That is P is how much? 64 units. 64 units is equals to 64 into 200. That is 128. 12,800. Next question. Rate of interest is 1 by 9% and time is given 1 year 4 months and CI is 3600. Okay. Coming to time here, we need to note some points. That is, if time is given 1 year 3 months and 2 year 4 months and 3 year 5 months, we can conclude it as 3 year 5 months, approximately 4 years. And coming to this 2 years 4 months, approximately 3 years. And 1 year 3 months means approximately 2 years. Here also approximately 2 years. And rate of percent is 1 by 9. Okay. So, principal amount is denominator power t. Got it? Denominator is 9 and power time equals to approximately 2. So 9 nines are 81. Coming to first year simple interest, 81 into 1 by 9, that is 9, and second year also 9. So plus 9 into 1 by 9, that is 1. Okay, then this is first year, this is second year compound interest. So here 1 year compound interest is 9. Per 1 year we can write it as 12 months equals to 9 compound interest. We have extra 4 months. 12 months equals to 4. Then 4 months equals to 4 into 9 divided by 12. 4 4s are 12, 4 3s are. So for 4 months compound interest is 3 units. Then for 1 year 9 and for 4 months 3. So total 9 plus 3, 12. 12 units is equals to, in question given, total compound interest is 3600. So 12 units equals to 3600. 1 unit is equals to 300. So we need to find principal amount, that is 81. 81 units is equals to 81 into 300, that is 3, 243 and zeros. 24,300 is the principal amount. Okay friends, this is our today's class, compound interest. This is the basics and introduction. If you learn the concept and understand the concept, we can crack any type of exam. Okay, practice different types and based on box method. I think it is better to me and you also. So thank you for watching. Those who are watching first time, please subscribe my channel and like the video if you like and share with your friends. Thank you.